Alright, let's talk about keeping your crypto safe because phishing scams are smarter than ever. First thing, and I have to put it in a big sticky note because the amount of people that fall for this is truly shocking. It's straightforward. Never click random links in emails, DMs, or Telegram groups, even if they look official. Scammers make fake versions of Binance, MetaMask, and every exchange you can think of. Always type the URL directly by yourself. Second, use hardware wallets for big holdings. Even if you accidentally land on a fake site, they can't just drain your funds without physical confirmation. Third, enable two-factor authentication, but not SMS, since that can be hacked with SIM swaps. Use an authenticator app or even better, a hardware key like YubiKey. Fourth, double-check wallet addresses. Phishing malware can swap the address you copy-paste, so always read the first and last few characters before sending. And last, stay updated. Scammers are constantly creating new tricks, so follow official channels from your wallet or exchange. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And have a safe journey trading crypto.